In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam UI Beta. If you want early access to Steam's newest interface updates, feature improvements, and client changes before they roll out to everyone on the stable version, enabling the Steam Beta is a quick and simple process. Just keep in mind that beta versions are meant for testing, so while you'll get newer features sooner, you may occasionally run into small bugs or changes that are still being refined. To begin, open Steam and look at the top left corner of the app. Click Steam and then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the main settings window where Steam keeps all of its client preferences and update options. Once you're in Settings, go to the left sidebar and select Interface. This section controls how the Steam client looks and behaves, and it's also where you'll find the option for joining beta releases. In the Interface section, look for the setting called Client Beta Participation. This is the option that determines whether your Steam client stays on the standard public release or switches to a beta build. If you don't usually change Steam settings, take a second to make sure you're in the correct area before continuing. Next, open the drop-down menu for Client Beta Participation and choose Steam Beta Update. Selecting this tells Steam that you want to receive beta client updates instead of only the stable version. This is the setting that enables access to upcoming UI changes and other improvements that are still in the testing phase. After selecting Steam Beta Update, click OK to confirm the change. Steam will then prompt you to restart the client. Go ahead and restart Steam when prompted, because the beta setting won't fully apply until the app closes and reopens. If Steam takes a moment to relaunch, that's completely normal. Once Steam starts back up, the beta enrollment is active. From that point on, your client will begin receiving beta updates, which means you'll have early access to new features, interface changes, and general improvements before they reach the standard release version. Depending on the current beta build, some changes may appear right away, while others may come through in future updates. And that's all it takes to enable the Steam UI Beta. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same client beta participation setting and change it back to the standard release option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.